Hi everyone, Dr.Jyotsna here. So let's know about pressure regulatory volume control or PRVC mode of ventilation. It's a hybrid mode of ventilation, and it has got basically regulate pressure control to give a set tidal volume basically. So in this we set tidal volume which we want, and like pressure control I ratio is set, T rise is set, and trigger flow is set, and the pressure control above P we don't set here. Instead, in the alarm setting we can check it that whatever peak inspiratory pressure we want or plateau pressure is want, we should add 5 centimeter of water above that, and we should set that alarm in the alarm setting. So now when the patient when the first breath is given, it is always volume control in this. So first 400 tidal volume, suppose we have said that 400 tidal volume patient will receive, and now during this delivering this 400 tidal volume, the ventilator will sense what is the compliance of the lungs and how much P plat the ventilator is the patient is generating. So if the P plat is coming to be 20, so now next breath the ventilator will give with the 20 P plat, and it will be a pressure control mode of ventilation, and it will make it will check that whether tidal volume of 400 has been achieved with this 220 P plat or not. If the tidal volume has been achieved, the subsequent breath will be also with the same P plat of 20. And suppose that when the tidal volume, the ventilator is not able to achieve the same tidal volume of 400 with the P plat of 20, now suppose it has come down or it has gone up. Suppose it has generated a tidal volume of 380 with P plat of 20. Now next breath will be also pressure control, and this time the pressure P plat will be little bit higher to make it sure that the ventilator generates the set tidal volume, in this case of 400. So now again it will check that whether with suppose the P plat it has decided to give a 22, and it will check that with 22 P plat whether the tidal volume is coming of 400 or not. If the tidal volume is coming 400, 400 is just example of the whatever set tidal volume, whether it is generating or not. If it is generating, now the P plat of 22 will be given in the next breath also. P plat of 20 with pressure control breath will be given. But if suppose the ventilator has generated instead of 400 has generated 420, so now the ventilator will give lesser tidal volume, more than 20 but less than 22, so 21 it will give, and it will see that whether 400 tidal volume is coming or not. Now this time if the tidal volume is coming is accurate, it's same as the 400, same as the set tidal volume. Now the 22 it will take it as a P plat, and next breath will be given as the pressure control only, and with the tidal volume of with a P plat of 21. So the first breath is volume control, assesses the patient's compliance, and P plat whatever ventilator is generating, and from subsequent breath it will be pressure control, and the ventilator will with each pressure control breath ventilator will see that the set tidal volume is generating or not. If it is less than the set tidal volume with the pressure control breath, the ventilator will increase or decrease the P plat according to the the tidal volume is generated with that P plat. So this is it. So we can see that it's like a pressure control only, but at the same time we try to keep check of the volume generated. So this is the good thing, that it decreases the chance of barotrauma. But at the same time, what happens that suppose suddenly the patient is awake, and now the patient is having fever, or patient is anxious, and patient is taking more tidal volume. So ventilator will think, okay, that with this plateau pressure of 20 or 22 whatever it was giving, with this the ventilator the patient the volume is coming high, so we have the lungs compliance has improved, so we have to give lesser P plat pressure, that peak inspiratory pressure should be lesser. So next breath will be with lesser peak inspiratory pressure. So still the patient is anxious, patient is having hunger, so patient is still breathing with tidal volume of 600 or 800. So till what will happen again, the ventilator will further decrease the pressure. So what happens in these cases, the patient's work of breathing will increase, and ventilator will keep on just decreasing the peak inspiratory pressure, and this will cause patient ventilator asynchrony. So this is the problem with this mode of ventilations. And so PRVC is a pressure control time cycle mode of ventilation, in which the pressure control depends upon the volume achieved in the previous breath. So in every breath the ventilator checks the previous breath with the pressure inspiratory pressure of this, the tidal volume generated by the lungs was this. So we have to increase or decrease or maintain the same P plat. So it is according to the previous breath, it decides what will be the next pressure control. Thank you.